peoples? We are fixing my car door. The shit won't open. I go to pull the handle and the door won't open. It unlocks, but it won't open. So I don't get it. So here's the problem. I put my hand underneath, it unlocks. When I pull this, it doesn't pull open. Watch us as we fix my door handle.
Tools, because you don't have any tools in your hand.
I gave you all my tools, and you lost them and broke them.
No, they're in my room in the corner because they're old and crusty.
See, he has no respect for history, tool history.
So I bought like the normal, you know,
So yeah, so it unlocks when I put my hand underneath. It'll unlock like it'll unlock.
Okay. But it won't open.
But it won't when you pull the handle. It won't open. Now I saw on YouTube. Someone had to screw something or tighten something in here to fix it. But in order to do that, we have to take this panel off to get into there. Now the only screw I see is there, but there's got to be at least a couple other screws that you have to take off to get to it. I don't know if that's a screw there, maybe. You took that off that quickly?
Yeah.
That must be the little Latino in you.
Damn.
I can say that. He's my son.
You couldn't say that, can't you?
You sure you know what you're doing? He's just taking shit apart. You know how to strip cars. What you been doing?
I've taken mine off and I've taken the vans off. So like I have a little understanding of what to do. It's just yours is a lot newer, so it has a lot more electronics, and I'm kind of scared because there's so many more wires to it. But
You just have to do this carefully.
that's what I'm doing. You think I want to fuck up your car?
Yeah, I know you don't want to fuck up my car.
This tool is a blessing though.
See? Because you're using a tool that I bought. Thank you, Amazon. Not sponsored. That's not saying it can't be.
Hey.
Here, I'll hold the door.
Clip.
Yeah, see? That the tool came in handy. I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing, people. This is management is what it is.
The fuck?
Oh, why are you messing with my gas tank?
I didn't notice that's what happened. Alright, there's no more clips on the outside. On the inside, it's a different question. Where the Shalom.
Because it looks like it's in two parts. Does that make sense?
Yeah. Well, this
Like
plastic is different.
No, not this part. This part.
Oh, maybe not. Because it might be connected down here, maybe to the door part. Usually, the door is always one solid thing, but when you pick it up, you clip it off and it comes up like that because it sits on it. I just gotta find where all the clips are. It's different on each car. I don't want to break them. These are the ones you don't want to break. Because then your door has like this little rattle every time.
Oh, yeah, I won't do that.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, I'm going to help him out for a second, so I'm going to put the phone down. Alright, we got the door off, and I did kind of help almost. And now we're detaching the wires. Actually, do we have to do that?
Yes.
Why?
Because, I mean, we don't. Where's the damn handle?
I mean, the handle is here, so it's underneath that. That's really what we need to get to. I mean, I guess it would be easier with the thing off.
The thing off, yes.
But I mean,
it's only a couple wires. It's just I need to.
Okay, you want me to hold this while you take a look?
Yeah. Hold the door. I'm just gonna start taking them off.
Now you got to remember where you got them from, right?
Yeah. Some of them I haven't been able to get off. Some of these bitches are hard as hell.
I mean, I could just see it's easy to get to this guy.
You have a loose wire. Oh, all right, I see them.
He said he sees where the problem is.
Yes. There's a bolt in here that holds a lever down that pulls the cable up to unlock the door. And it's loose, so when you pull the door, this, it's supposed to push down that little lever that pulls up. So you push down, it pulls up.
Right.
It's pushing down, but then missing it because the lever is out here instead of here. It's loose. Loose lever.
See, once again, I got you to do this because you're smaller than I am to get into this area. I might be able to. I can hold the door down a little bit.
Yeah.
Like, you get more room if it's. That's my butt.
Yes.
Oh,
It's fine. There it is. Because I unplugged one. Alright, let me fold this. Damn.
Oh, tell me you didn't drop that little screw thing in there.
I dropped my bit.
No, that's what I meant.
Yep.
Oh, the handle's fixed. Because, you know, he's good at that. But now we dropped the bit into the car door. And he's scraped up trying to get to the bit. It fell in there.
Yep.
So now what we're going to do is we're going to take this part of the door panel off. See those little screws and those little things there? We're going to take that off to try to get to the bit. And now he's dropping more shit. Yes, it would have. Make sure it's on there nice and good. There we go. There's one more over here.
Where?
See that green?
Green one.
Yeah.
Any more little suckers hiding?
I don't think so, unless it's underneath there. I don't think so.
I don't see any.
Doing this, then actually holding the door.
Yeah, you're right. Actually.
Because by now you'd just be like, oh, what?
Yeah, I'd rather be doing this right now.
Yeah, because holding this damn door is monotonous. But holding
like
the door
it?
and filming, yeah, you know.
I'm sweating.
A treat. Yeah. They all wear nasty ones. So, we got the little piece out that he dropped inside the car door. Now we're just putting the door back on.
Yes.
With all these little monotonous pieces that we got to put the car on door with. It's very tedious and monotonous. So is holding this door. It hurts. Well, it doesn't hurt, but it's annoying.
Full rotations.
But the important thing is, oh shit.
That would have been hilarious if this fell in the car and we couldn't get it. Oh man. No, we would have been able to get it out.
The important thing is we fixed the actual handle. So, $300 at the Dodge dealership? I don't think so.
Excuse me.
I have a child with skinny arms. Yeah, see all these little yellow parts and the screws? They all had to come out. And now we have to put them all back on. That's just the inside part of the car. Then when we're done doing that, we have to put the outside panel back on, which in retrospect is the easier part of the two. Did you see my gut? How's my gut? Sexy.
Now what I want to be hearing around the left there.
No.
I hate this angle.
Yeah, it kind of sucks.
I can move the door.
Well, we could have tried to pull some of these wires out.
Nah, that's just too much. Because they're tiny.
Because I think this one could have
Locked. That's it.
one there. That was it. Nothing else underneath.
Nope.
All right. Wait a minute. This one's not tightened.
What? Oh, yeah. They're not.
Look at that. See, that's some supervising shit right there.
Yeah, just go back.
Well, I got the big drills. That, and I'm about 100 pounds heavier than he is.
Stay. I need a longer fit.
The sun is starting to beat down too.
I'm close to 12.
All right, so here we are. Hand underneath, unlocks, pulls open, and it's open. As good as new. Thanks to that man right there. And my supervision, because I'm a supervisor. Thank you, Joe. And I'm ready to go, although I got no place to go right now. And that's me and Joe, or mostly Joe, fixing my car handle. And as always, thanks for watching.